Welcome to your new home in the quiet community of Venetia Country Club Condos. Enter the spacious living room with its sliding glass doors to the screened-in balcony overlooking the pond and landscaped lawns, perfect for that relaxing evening. In the kitchen and both bathrooms you will find wood cabinetry, granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. The condo has a new dishwasher, new electrical panel, new garbage disposal, new washer/dryer, fresh paint. The association is in the process of replacing all of the balconies in the community, so you will get a new balcony as well. The air conditioner was replaced in December of 2016. Enjoy the community pool and clubhouse and get to know your neighbors. You will find yourself a short distance to the East Bay Country Club golf course and a short drive to the beautiful Gulf beaches.